Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn comparison of fractions. So let us start. First, if the denominators of the fractions are equal, then the fraction with the larger numerator is greater. Students, अगर दिए हुए fractions का denominator equal है, तब हम उसे उसके numerator के according compare करेंगे और fraction with greater numerator is always greater. So let us understand it with the help of one example. And the fractions are 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. 4 is greater than 2. Either we can say 2 is smaller than 4. Students, do you remember? Fractions that have the same number in their denominator are called like fractions. Next, if the numerator of the fractions are equal, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is bigger. To understand it, let us take one example. And here I have taken fraction 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Student, here you can see numerators are same, but denominators are different. So, according to definition, fraction जिसका denominator less होगा, वही big होगा. Let us see how. Students, here I have 2 chocolates of same size. और first chocolate के मैंने 3 equal parts किए और उसमें से एक part आपको मिल गया. और सेकेंड चॉकलेट के मैंने 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स किए और उसमें से एक पार्ट आपको मिला. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट चॉकलेट का आपको 1/3 मिला और सेकेंड चॉकलेट में आपको 1/2 मिला. बट हियर यू कैन सी जो सेकेंड चॉकलेट है उसका पार्ट बिग है और जो फर्स्ट चॉकलेट है जिसके 3 पार्ट्स में है उसके पीसेस स्मॉल हैं. तो यहाँ पे आपको स्मॉल पीस मिली है और सेकेंड चॉकलेट में आपको बिग पार्ट मिला है. सो इट मीन्स किसी भी चीज को हम जितने ज्यादा इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं उसके पीसेस उतने ही छोटे हो जाते हैं और उसके जितने ही कम पार्ट्स होते हैं तो वो पीसेस उसके बिग होते हैं. हेंस हियर 1/2 इज बिगर देन 1/3. नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट. थर्ड इज कंपेयरिंग फ्रैक्शंस विद डिफरेंट न्यूमरेटर्स एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर्स. फॉर दैट वी यूज 2 methods. First, either change the fractions to like fractions and then compare, or compare by simple cross multiplication. So let us take one example to understand it. Example 1. Compare the fractions 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 7. So student, first we use LCM method. Step 1. First we find the LCM of 5 and 7. So student, as you can see here denominators are different. So first we find the LCM of 5 and 7. Student, as we know 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. Now in step 2, convert the given fractions to their respective equivalent fractions with the LCM as their denominator. So here first fraction is 3 upon 5. As we know LCM is 35. So student, आप 5 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर दें कि 35 मिल जाए. So here we multiply denominator by 7 and numerator also by 7. 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. Now let us take second fraction. So student, यहाँ पे denominator is 7. 7 में हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर दें कि हमें 35 मिल जाए. तो 7 5s are 35. तो न्यूमरेटर में भी हम 5 ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. And 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now you can see here we have converted the given fractions into a like fractions. Now in step 3, we compare the fractions. And here 21 upon 35 is smaller than 25 upon 35. Hence we can say 3 upon 5 is smaller than 5 upon 7. Now let us take one more example. Example 2, which is greater, 9 upon 13 or 8 upon 11. So student, here we use second method, that is simple cross multiplication method. So firstly we cross multiply the given fraction 9 upon 13 and 8 upon 11. So here 9 multiplied by 11 is equal to 99 and 8 multiplied by 13 is equal to 104. Now here you can see 99 is smaller than 104. Hence we can say 9 upon 13 is smaller than 8 upon 11. So student, this is how we can compare the given fractions. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time. So pause your video and please solve it, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.